How to turn off two-factor authentication on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, go to Sign-in and Security. Here, scroll down to the Security section and tap on Two-Factor Authentication. You can view all your added devices and phone numbers used for verification over here. Tap on the number you want to remove. Then, tap on Remove from Account as shown. Tap on Continue. Following these steps, you can easily turn off two-factor authentication on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.